How was your experience, bro?
Yes, bro. Insane.
Fucking nice, eh?
This car is crazy, dude. It's a monster.
So you gotta be like, action. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. And today we finally have the M140 once again. It's been a while. It's been about a year and a month or so since the last time we had this car.
See this car.
See this car. Now they're
Nice.
gonna sit there.
Oh, is it?
Start to
You wanna
get his
hear it?
reaction. So they wanna hear what it sounds like.
So yeah guys, like I say, we've had a lot of requests to do a full review of this car, and today we are finally going to get around to doing that. We've had the car for 3 days now. We've done a couple of photo shoots and video shoots. The cinematic video shoot you'll see soon, but right now we're going to go over the mod list because that's what you guys all want to know. So let me get my notepad out here. So on the mod list we have Rogue Performance decat downpipe, AC lowering springs, side skirts are the OEM M Performance ones. Then we have the first front lip and then the second front lip. Yes. Okay, and then we have the M grills, the M Performance mirror caps. Then we got the car with the M Performance exhaust, rear diffuser, boot spoiler, crossbars, eyelids and canards. And then the exhaust tips. Then wheel spacers. Then there was an old diffuser from Carbon Works. So there's quite a lot of mods done to this car, none of which are performance except for the exhaust, which is just the best part. Oh dude, I love this car so much. Obviously it has the looks to match. I need to ask him if I can keep it, dude. The smile this car puts on your face. Oh, it's just something else, eh? You can agree?
I can agree.
So we've already had a kid come here to this house down the road. He's like, yo, I've seen this car on Instagram. He says it sounds so good. And like I've said before in a previous video, all you have to do is a decat downpipe and you are sorted. I think this car has got so much potential that needs to be unlocked. And that's what happens when you do the exhaust. The pure power of this B58 engine is just madness. And I mean the sounds, oh, I mean there's little burbles in eco mode. What the heck? Eco mode, comfort mode, sports mode is just something else. Obviously you'll see in the POV drive video. It's just the sounds coming from this car. It breaks necks. Like you need to have more physios in the area because the necks are just like completely broken. It is insane. Beyond words, especially with the fuel consumption, you know. The petrol station is obviously its best friend. Although having said that, it's not the heaviest car on fuel. Miles per gallon is a real thing, that's for sure. Eh? We can agree to that.
Definitely.
Yes, but I mean a real monster and something seriously special. So hopefully we'll see this car again. I wonder if there's going to be any other mods done to it. But yeah, for now we're going to have sort of walk around the car to show you guys the car. I'm sure you've seen it on Instagram, otherwise if you haven't, go check it out here. Right, so let's turn this beast on and let's hear how the exhaust sounds. Alright ladies and gentlemen, so we are here in the Beast, taking it for a quick drive up the road. Yes, once again, all the sounds that come out of this thing are just something else completely. You see videos online and on Instagram, YouTube, and even if you wear headphones, you know, you don't quite get the experience of what this car really is like. And my mate next to me, my best friend Carl, he's always said, yes, this car sounds so good, you know. Yes, but I mean, today, after experiencing it, it is just something else, eh?
Yeah, I know. The sound from the videos that you sent me, it just doesn't, like, you can't compare it. It doesn't do it justice. That's what I'm trying to say. It's a proper monster.
Serious. And I mean, like we've said, you know, there's so much character about this car too, where it doesn't just, it's not just like you driving a car from point A to point B. This is what's going to make your journey fun. This is the kind of car that puts a smile on your face when you're going from annoying speed bump to the next one. Yeah, it's just something else, and it's one hell of an experience. Thank you so much to the owner for letting us take this car to do some photo and video shoots. It has been one hell of an experience, especially now since the DCAT has been applied to the vehicle. It has just seriously transformed the whole experience. I mean, like I say, it's just next level in terms of sound. That's my aunt. Just next level in terms of sound, and it just wakens the car up. It really brings out so much emotion, and at the end of the day, this system that it's got on at the moment, it doesn't drone. It really doesn't. Yes, maybe I think it's in 7th gear. If you like giving it a little bit of throttle at a low speed, it might like give you a little slight drone, but it's nothing hectic. You're on the highway, you're driving 120, it is perfect. There's no annoying sounds, there's no annoying drones. It is just one hell of a setup. And when you want it to be loud, when you want to break necks, it does just that. And so well, it is just something else. I mean, there's plenty of videos by this time on my YouTube channel for you to check out the sound, so I'm not going to waste any more petrol. We're running a bit low, but this car is just something else. No words to explain it. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the other videos that we have done on this car. Hey. But yeah, just to close, this car is one hell of a monster, and perfection.
Yeah.
Don't know what else to say. But yeah, thanks for watching, and cheers guys.